In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to practice sewing a straight seam. And there's one tip that I know, yes, there is one tip that I know that actually helped me. I'll also be sharing that tip with you. I'm also going to help you. So stick around as I share that with you too. The tip I'm going to be sharing with you is using a notebook to practice. Now, if the notebook needs to have a line, not just the A4 paper or the blank sheet. You just tear one sheet like this, and you would have to practice sewing on the lines that have already been drawn in this piece of paper. So we are going to go to the machine now to practice with it. Before you start sewing, you want to make sure that your needle is in place, and also make sure not to pass the thread through the needle. You just want to make sure you're just sewing on those lines. You're just sewing on those lines consistently. Don't pass the thread through the needle. Just do that consistently before you now go ahead to fix the thread through the needle. Now you'll be wondering why this is important. As a beginner, you will struggle with still trying to pedal the machine and still struggle with it going in the right direction or not. So you want to make sure you first of all consistently practice without the thread being passed through the needle. So if you were to actually start with the thread passed through the needle, if you were to start with that, you actually find it frustrating. And that's why I really suggest that you start practicing first without the thread passed through the needle. After you've practiced for a while by that, then you can now move on to pass the thread through the needle and practice that consistently. And that is the one trick that I know that I'm very sure it's going to help you, whether you're using the industrial machine or you're using the manual machine, whatever machine you're using. Practicing with a piece of paper, or you get a blank sheet where you draw straight lines on and just practice on those lines, sewing on those lines. Trust me, you'll never struggle with having a straight seam or sewing a straight seam. If you find this video very helpful, please do well to share, to also like, and also hit the subscribe button so that whenever I share a video you get notified. Bye.